Hello, everyone. Are you wondering if dogs can learn tricks? Let's explore. Yes, dogs can learn tricks, and many enjoy the mental stimulation that comes with learning new commands. The key to teaching dogs tricks is using positive reinforcement, such as treats, praise, or toys, to reward good behavior. Dogs can learn a wide range of tricks, from basic commands like sit or stay to more complex behaviors like rolling over, playing dead, or even fetching specific items. Repetition and patience are essential when teaching a dog new tricks. Breaking the trick down into small, manageable steps can help the dog understand what is expected of them. Short training sessions, spread throughout the day, work best to keep the dog engaged without overwhelming them. Teaching tricks is not only a fun way to bond with your dog, but it also helps them develop focus and discipline. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching, and see you later. Goodbye.